colored jeans are trending this summer. And I'm going to show you guys how I am rocking them this summer. Got an instant in how I style these jeans. Then let's get into the video. Get into the video.
No, mama, we don't cry here. Thank God we don't die here. In the garden, the fountain of youth has been inside of you all along, little goddess. Please don't be modest. You're holy and sacred. Get out of your head. Surely you know you're a flower, reflecting the sun's rays. Come and seize the day, so everyone you come around can say cinnamon and angel dust, almond milk and coconut.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Veronica Renee. I offer you a whole lot of fashion and a little bit of beauty. Today's video is all about styling colored jeans. None of the jeans I show you today are going to be regular blue jeans, which is medium wash, light wash, and dark wash jeans. Not happening today. They all have color from black, purple, camel, and olive. Those are the 4 pair of jeans I'm going to be styling. You guys are interested in how I style these colored jeans because colored jeans are definitely trending. Colored jeans are trending this summer. And I'm going to show you guys how I am rocking them this summer. Got an instant in how I style these jeans. Then let's get into the video. Get into the video. Before we go any further into the video, I would like for you to become one of my stylist members. And that means hitting that subscribe button and tapping that bell so you'll be notified every time I upload. Also follow me on all my social media accounts. Mainly Instagram, okay? Personal is Veronica.Renee. And then my blogging / fashion page is styleover.fashion. Those 2 Instagram pages where you get all the looks that I'll be showing you guys in my YouTube video, okay? You want a more close up and all the info on what I be wearing, please follow my social media. You will enjoy everything that I put. I interact. I'm funny sometimes. I'm chill. You know, I'm supportive. And all of that. So if you want to be my friend, you can be my friend. Follow me on my social media account. Okay? Okay. I'm going to start with a black-owned brand. The business is called Kay&Co. These are her 2 pair of colored jeans. They're called Dior sexy jeans. You have Dior sexy jeans in skinny legs, you know, the dragon style. Then you have Dior sexy jeans in the flare jeans or style. And y'all know the flare jeans are in style right now. They are trending. They like top notch. If you don't have a pair, you're behind in the game, okay? You are definitely behind in the game. But yes, I posted these from Kay&Co. I absolutely love the customer service. I love her Instagram page. I love just everything about it. And she's so beautiful. She is definitely a hashtag goal, okay? But I have the olive color and the camel color. I'm going to show you what each jeans look like, you know, alone. So let's get straight into that. These are the Dior sexy jeans right here in the camel color. They look yellow on camera, or they can also look like a mustard color. But these are the jeans right here. Have that perfect stretch to them, especially for girls like me who are very, very teeny tiny and plan to put on some weight one day. These jeans are made for me and for the girls who are already thick and afraid jeans can't go past their hips. These jeans are made for you. Have a size small, and I did a video before on these type of jeans. A size small usually fits someone from a size 1, 2, 3, and sometimes 4. And I just don't know anything else to say about them, but get you a pair. Like, what are you waiting on? Get you a pair. Scroll down below in the description box right now. Click on one of these black-owned businesses and purchase you a pair of jeans. You saw me style this with all shades of brown, okay? I had on a brown bodysuit. I had on those brown mules. in my, I had on those brown mules from my Shein unboxing part 2 video, and I also had a brown Pooch Pouch Roots purse that is also from my Shein unboxing round 2 part 2 video. So if you have not seen that video, what are you doing? Stop, go down, click on it, and then come back to this video. But yeah, remember I told y'all I was gonna be looking like a snicker, a baby, a Rolo, when I figure out what I want to wear with these pants and with those brown shoes and with that bag. I didn't lie. I meant it. And I brought it to you guys. I brought it to you guys. If you guys want to see this look live, please follow my Instagram. You will definitely see a posted picture on my Instagram. If not now, definitely later. But the pictures are coming. These are the Dior Sexy Flare jeans and olive, like I said. Same stretch, okay? So these are very comfortable. It's easy to rock, and you don't have to worry about it, you know, being uncomfortable down there in the ladies area or in your butt. Because, honey, these are going to your body the way it needs to. Not, you know, like it don't. Like, the way it needs to. Not like how we don't want it to, if that makes sense. And it has the flare at the bottom. You will see on the side screen over here, I styled it with a green top and white sliding shoes. I decided to do a different shade of greens just to kind of break it up a little bit, but not too much. But I kept that white in point, which made that green match my pants a little bit better, if that makes sense. If it wasn't for the white, you probably be like, that's two different shades of green. That don't go together. But, baby, it went together. When you tie things together by putting them colors together, you do just fine. So that's how I styled these pair of jeans. Same feel. Just, I don't know what to say, y'all. I just love these jeans. I feel like I'm saying the same thing over and over again, but I'm telling you, don't have a pair and you're definitely missing out. If you don't like color, they do have these jeans in the regular light, medium, dark washes, but have fun. At least get one colored pair, okay? Alright, and these are the next 2 pair of jeans that I styled. You've already seen these pair of jeans in a recent video, which is Jeans Like Fashion Overhaul. But these jeans came from KleauxKouture, located in New Orleans. And the jeans fit just like the purple pair, just like the olive pair. They're just amazing. The retail price, I will place somewhere down below in the description box or on the screen. Same thing for Kay&Co pants. I will place everything down below, the price, everything that I can find. If they sold out, I'm sorry. Check KleauxKouture or check other boutiques. There are so many boutiques selling jeans like this. But I got my jeans from those 2 companies because I admire them so much. I had to support, and that's what I did. I'm going to show you guys the jeans now separately. These are the black pair right here, just like the purple, just like the olive, just like I said. And it flares at the bottom. It fits me so well. Absolutely love these jeans. You saw me style these jeans with a yellow fuzzy top, like tank top. And then my shoes from my Shein unboxing round 2 part 2 video. And I was in love. It was very, very simple. The shoes is really what made the outfit come together because it had so much going on. And then with the bag, I just threw on a purple lilac color bag that is also from my Shein unboxing round 2 video. I'm telling you guys, if you want to know where everything come from, watch all my videos. You're going to find out. I do unboxing, I do hauls, I do a lot of things, okay? If you don't know where something comes from, I'll probably mention it 1,000 times. If not this video, another video. So please watch all my videos. Make sure you subscribe and tap that bell so you won't miss any videos by me. And let's get back into what the video is all about. So yeah, I styled those pants with those 2 items, with 3 items. and I absolutely love the look. If you want to see this look in action, please follow my social media because it'll definitely be on there sometime soon. You guys, I would have seen these purple pants on me, and didn't the booty look good? Yes, it did, Veronica. The booty looked great. So these are the same jeans from my local mall. I styled it with a vintage top, which is from my grandmother. So you cannot find this top, but if I can find something similar, like always, I try to link it down below in the description box. I just buttoned it one time and tied that shirt right in the front because I wanted these jeans to still look high-waisted on me. I didn't want to tuck it and it messed up the form of my booty, okay? So I had to figure out how can I manipulate that shirt without altering the shape these jeans are going to give me, and that look came together so well. If you're not a girl that like to show your cleavage, you can button it all the way up, but I didn't mind that, okay? Ain't nothing wrong being a little sexy, just a little bit. For the shoes, I wore the same white shoes I wore for those olive pants, but I absolutely do love that look. I'm going to wear that look somewhere soon, like somewhere soon. Me and my friends gonna go have something to eat or something. That look was just my favorite of all of them. That was my most favorite look. So since we're talking about black owned brand, let's talk about this shirt here. This is also from KleauxKouture. And it say, all you need is love. So you got this shirt and so many other simple tees that's about expressing love and accepting each and every person on this earth. And that's one reason why I fell in love with her. She is for everyone, and I am for everyone. And I mean, what better way to not get a shirt that talks about love, because love sees no color. Love is strictly heart to heart. It's heartfelt. It's not what the mind thinks. It's not what the mind say. If you love someone, you feel it from here, not from here. So I really got this tee just to help spread love and positivity. And if you guys are interested in this shirt, I will definitely have it down below in the description box as well. I want to highlight one more black-owned brand. It's not clothing related, but it is beauty related because my channel is about beauty as well. It's dealing with a makeup brand. It's called 420 Chemistry. She has lashes, lip gloss, and an eyeshadow palette. I'm going to step up a little bit so you guys can see my face right now. I used her eyeshadow palette on my eyes today. And also I used her lashes today. And then I just used a new lip gloss that was out in my collection. But I do love her palette. As you can see from the screen down here, the palette has neutrals. It has glitter, pressed glitter. That's what's in my inner titties right now. And then it has 3 beautiful colors, and of course one of the colors is black, and that black is so pigmented, y'all. I swatched it on my arm and tried to wipe it off, and it still had like the after effect. I don't know, like like I scrubbed and it was just still there. That black and that red, it was still there. That's how pigmented it was. I'm gonna step a little bit closer so you can really see my eyes. I'm going to post a picture also on the screen. But she just launched her business June 19th. So please support her. She will absolutely adore and accept every single purchase. She's new to the business, but she got it down pat. I mean, pigmentation is great for a first-time starter. And I think you guys will absolutely love it as well. If you're someone that wants that neutral, a little bit of pressed glitter, and a little bit of color, this palette is for you. If you like lashes, our style of lashes, her lashes are for you. The packaging is just, she put so much thought into it. I fell in love, and I am one of her ambassadors, to be exact. I am a Stonerwish. That's what the makeup ambassadors are called. And I just want you guys to support her. We are going to be supporting black-owned businesses 2020, 2021, 2022, 2025, 2027. I mean, we're going to be supporting forever. And don't wait till next year or next month to support. Start now. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and watching this video today. It's all about black-owned businesses. It's all about supporting each other. You guys found this video useful. You enjoyed all the jeans that I styled. Let me know down below in the comment which one is your favorite of all the 4. Like I said, mine were the purple ones. Baby, I'm going somewhere with that outfit on. Where, I don't know. But I'm going somewhere. Period. But, yeah, thank you guys so much for continuously watching my videos, sharing me, liking, and then subscribing to my YouTube channel. Hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!